Good morning, children. This is Pavani. Today, I'm going to take for 9th standard the snake and the mirror lesson. Already, I have completed half of the part in the previous class. Today, I would like to complete the remaining part of the lesson, children. So, in the previous class, I told you that homeopath, he is a doctor. He was sharing his experiences with the people, what experience he faced in his life with the snake. Okay, that experience he had shared. Actually, he used to stay in the like what in a room. Okay, he never used to stay with his parents. Why? Because he was doing his medical practice, so he was staying in a room. So every day he has to go for the hotel to have his breakfast, lunch and dinner. So one day what happened, just to have his dinner, he went to the restaurant. After completion of his dinner, he came to his room. So when he opened the room, when he was opening the room, then he heard the sound. Okay, there is a sound. So by listening that sound, he thought that it is a familiar sound and he didn't give much interest to that. Then after that, what happened? Yes, after having the dinner, what shall we do, children? Just we go to the bed. So same manner, he also wants to lie down. So when he wants to lie down, there is no air. Okay, there is no proper air because there is actually the room was not electrified. The room was not electrified. Electrified in the sense there is no power in that house. So then what happened? There is no power supply in that house. Then he opened the windows and he want to lie down, and he pulled his bed towards the wall. Okay, because rats are going on moving here and there, so he pulled his bed towards the wall and he lie down, but he was not getting sleep. So he thought that okay, better I'll go out and I'll sit for some time. Then he went out. Once when he went out, by the time the wind god has disappeared, he was not getting air even outside. Okay, so when he was not getting air outside, then he decided to get into the room. Once when he get into the room, just he was not getting sleep, so he went near the table. Okay, he went near the table to open the book and to read. So once when he opened the book from the desk, the book was Materia Medica. What is the name of the book, Nana? Materia Medica. He opened that book to read something as he was not getting sleep. Okay, he wants to lie down, but because of no air, he don't want to sleep, just he wants to read something. So the moment when he was reading, so before that what happened, so once when he came from the hotel, he removed his clothes and he hang on the hook. Okay, so what he had, a solitary black coat, inside he was wearing a vest. Okay, so then a garment which is worn under the shirt. Vest means what? A garment which is worn under the shirt. And then he put there and just he lie down. He was not getting sleep, and then he went out and again he entered inside and he started reading the book Materia Medica. So actually he's having a suitcase. In that suitcase, how much money was with him? Only 60 rupees. How much money was with him? 60 rupees. And how much money was with him? 60 rupees, and some shirts and dhotis he had. Okay, and then once when he was sitting in front of the mirror, obviously when there is a mirror in front of us, definitely we look into the mirror and we admire ourselves how beautiful we look. Okay, in the same manner, he also looked into the mirror to see how handsome he looks. Then once when he was looking into the mirror, he has taken three decisions. What are the three decisions? So one is he wants to grow a thin mustache. Okay, thin mustache means light beard he want to grow. Okay, that is the first one. And second decision he has taken is, once by looking at the mirror, he gave a smile. So once when he has given the smile, he looks so handsome. So what he decided, okay, I have to maintain this smile every day on my face to look more handsome, he thought. That is the second decision. And what is the third decision he has taken? That I want to marry, okay, I would like to marry a doctor, that too a woman doctor. Okay, she must also be a doctor, so that both of us can earn a lot of money. And how she must be? She must be a fat lady. So anyone will expect like that? No. But why this fellow is expecting like that? Because if at all if he does any silly mistake, she should not be back of him. Okay, that means once when he was running from her, she should not catch him. If she is fat, she cannot run back after him. Okay, so because of that, he want to marry a fat woman and who is a doctor. Okay, so then these are the three decisions he has taken. In the meanwhile, what happened? Again, suddenly he heard a sound. Okay, this time he heard as if a dull, like thud. Thud means what? Dull sound. As if a rubber tube has fallen from the top. Okay, so first he didn't notice that much. He thought that okay, why anyhow every day I can hear the sound. No, he thought like that. But after some time, why I don't give a look once? He turned like this. So the moment he turned, he noticed that there was a snake on his shoulder. Okay, Actually, the snake, first it has come to the chair and slowly it has come onto the near the neck. Okay, it was just on his shoulder. The moment he turned like this, the snake, both were simultaneously, it happened. When he turned, at that time only, the snake also landed on his shoulder, children. So at that moment, he didn't cry, he didn't tremble, even he didn't shout also, he didn't jump, he didn't understand what to do in such situation. Then what he has done, so then he kept quiet and he was like what Nana, once when something happens, if at all, if we were in that situation, what shall we do? If we were in that situation, definitely we would run out from that place. But he didn't run from that place, but what he has done here. So now I would not be correct say merely that I sat there holding my breath. He was holding his breath and sitting like that. I was turned to stone. He has become like a stone. Stone nothing but he has become like a statue. But my mind was very active. He was like statue, but his mind inside was very active. The door opened into the darkness. The room was surrounded by the darkness. In the light of the lamp of the creator of this world, in the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. Like a stone image means like a statue. Okay, I was sitting there in the darkness. Then what happened? So he was expecting the God must save him. He was thinking, if at all, if he utters something, why the God has done to me like this? If he says something, again God may do something. So because of that, the creator who is a God, what like that he's saying. Now see here, I felt that the great presence of the creator of this world and this universe. God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my heart the words, oh God. So you don't want to say anything, oh God only, he said. There was some pain in my left arm. So there was pain in his left arm. Why? Because the snake, it's like a squeezing. It's once when it squeezes, what happened, Nana? He will get the pain. So there was a pain in his left arm. It was as if a thick leaden rod, no, a rod made of molten fire was slowly but powerfully crushing my arm. Like as if something was crushing his arm, he felt like that, okay? Then, the arm was beginning to be drained of all the strength. Means he is going to lose all the strength. What could I do? So now what I have to do? Then at my slightest movement, the snake would strike me. If at all, if he slightly move also, the snake will bite him. Strike means what? Bite him. So death lurked 4 inches. Death was waiting. Lurk means what, Nana? To wait. So it was waiting 4 inches away. Suppose it struck. What was the medicine I have to take? So in that situation also, what he is thinking, if at all, if it bites me, whether that medicine is available in my room, like that he started thinking. Okay. Then again he was thinking, in this situation also I'm thinking like that, what a foolish doctor am I? Then I forgot my danger and smiled feebly. Feebly means what, Nana? Weak smile. Okay. It seemed as if God appreciated that. The snake turned its head. It looked into the mirror. So now what happened? The snake is also in front of the mirror. Slowly the snake was looking its reflection in the mirror. Understood? The snake was also looking its reflection in the mirror. Then he thought that, okay, I can slowly move from this place. Who thought like that? The homeopath. It looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. So what is the meaning of reflection, children? Image. The meaning of reflection is image. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into the mirror. Actually, I never know that snakes also will look into the mirror. But it was certain. Certain means sure. But it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? It is also admiring its own beauty. What is the meaning of admiring? Praising. Okay. What is the meaning of admiring, ma? Praising. Was it admiring its own beauty? Was it trying to make an important decision? I have taken some 3 important decisions. It is also taking an important decision or what? Like that he was thinking. Then making an important decision about growing a mustache or using an eyeshadow and mascara or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead. What is the meaning of vermilion? Bright red in color. What is the meaning of vermilion, Nana? Bright red in color. Okay, mascara means, you know, for the eyeshadows, generally for the people, those film actress, when they do makeup, they put the eyeshadow, mascara, okay, the black one. So whether it is taking such kind of decisions, who is thinking like that? The homeopath. I did not know anything for certain. Up to there only we have finished. This is the next part. I am continuing now. I did not know anything for certain. What sex was the snake? Whether the snake was the male or female, he doesn't know. Was it male or female? I will never know, for the snake unwound itself from my arm and slowly slithered into my lap. Slowly what happened? From the mirror again it came and it came onto his laps. Laps means, you know, when you sit on the chair, how is the position? So it came onto his lap. Then, for the snake unwounded itself from my arm, slowly it unwounded, means it has come from his arm and slowly it entered onto his laps. Then, from there it crept onto the table. From there slowly it went onto the table and moved towards the mirror. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters. First it was seeing from his elbow. Okay. After that slowly it unwounded itself and went directly in front of the mirror. You can see the picture, children, here. You can see the picture. Okay. It was directly seeing into the mirror. Then now what happened? So it wants to see closer, okay, in close how it looks. I was no mere image cut in granite. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. I was no image cut in granite. The doctor no longer stood there like a statue. Now, as the snake is looking its reflection, no, now he got the chance to move from that place. So now he came out from that place and then see here. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. A man of flesh and blood means he has become a normal man now. Then, still holding my breath, I got up from the chair. I quietly went out through the door into the veranda. From there, I leapt. Leapt means what, Nana? Jump. From there, he jumped into the yard and ran for all I was worth. So just he was going on running. He's not turning even back. Pew! Each of us heaved a sigh relief. Oh my God, they were listening this now. So each of them suddenly, they like what, a deep breathing once they released out. All of us lit beedies. Now everyone, they lit the beedies. Somebody asked, doctor, is your wife very fat then? You have taken the decision now. Is your wife very fat? Someone asked, okay, among the people, those who were listening. No, the doctor said. God willed otherwise. So God wished otherwise. Willed means what? What is the meaning of willed, children? The meaning of willed is wished. Okay, the meaning of willed is what? Wished. So now what happened? God willed otherwise means what? Wished. My life companion is a thin, reedy person with a gift of sprinter. So reedy means what, Nana? Unpleasant. What is the meaning of reedy? He was expecting that he should get a fat wife, but everything happened opposite. Okay, so reedy means not pleasant. And also, now see here, a reedy person with a gift of a sprinter. Sprinter means fast runner. If he does any mistake, immediately she can catch him. Okay, so she is a fast runner. Then someone else asked, doctor, when you ran, did the snake follow you? Again someone put the question. So you were running back, you were running now by seeing the snake. Did it come back of you? Someone asked. Okay, then did it follow you? Someone asked. The doctor replied, I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. Immediately I smeared all over myself and took a bath. So he smeared the oil. What is the meaning of smear, Nana? What is the meaning of smear? He put on everything. Okay, total his body. He spread the oil on his body and he took a bath. Why? Because it rotated on his body, no? Like what, his elbow, his neck. So because of that, he smeared all the oil on his body and he took a bath in his friend's house. Then, immediately all the oil over myself and took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes. The next morning, at about 8:30, I took my friend and one or two others to my room to move my things from there. So now what happened the next morning? Along with his friend and two more people, he went to the room to vacate his things. Okay, to take his things. To vacate the room, he went there. But we found we had little to carry. Once when they went there, actually what was there, everything we will have outside itself. There were no any utensils like that. Only the suitcase, that too very less things are there in that. Okay. And some thief had removed most of my things. So what he said, oh my God, other people also have come now. What they will think, in this room nothing is there. This fellow is saying, this fellow asked us to come. What we have to carry, like that they will think no. So because of that, what he is saying, maybe thieves have carried some of my belongings, he said. Then now see here. Some thief had removed most of my things. The room had been cleaned out. But cleaned out means completely it was stolen by thief. But not really. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult. What? The thief left one thing. It is an insult for him. What is that? What was that? I asked. The one person asked, what was that? What did the thief leave? Why he didn't take that one? He said. Then the doctor said, my vest, the dirty one. What he said? My vest he did not take. What is vest, Nana? The inner garment. Okay, under the shirt we wear, no, the inside one. He did not take that vest. The dirty one, he himself is saying the dirty one. How that fellow will take that then? The fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. Maybe that fellow is having lot of cleanliness because of seeing that shirt was that much dirty, he didn't carry it, I think so, he said. The rascal could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. He can take that and he can wash it with soap and water, and after that he can use, no? Why did he leave that? It's a great insult to me. Who said? Homeopath said. Did you see the snake the next day, doctor? Okay, you went there, no? Did you see the snake next day? Then the doctor laughed. I have never seen it since. Up to now, I didn't see the snake. It was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. Okay. Again, I didn't see that snake any time. Only that day, that incident happened in my life. So this is the story of the homeopath he has shared with his people. Okay, children. So have you understood? In the next class, we will meet with the next topic. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, children.